to Red Lipstick. So today I am filming a what's in my purse video. I have not filmed one of these in probably a good 2 years or so, so I really wanted to show you guys kind of what I keep in my bag. I've been seeing a lot of these videos on YouTube lately and I wanted to participate again. So I think this is a video that never seems to get old. People like to see what's in other people's bags, so let's get into it. I'm very excited to show you guys my bag because I did purchase this from eBay and it is one of the very first high-end, like super luxury bags I've ever purchased. So like I said, I got it from eBay and it is a Prada bag. Looks like this. And it does not have like a zip on the top. It's just one of those like kind of like carry all dump it in kind of bags. It did come with the authenticity cards and stuff like that, which I have in my closet on my shelf in there. And I'm really excited because I got this bag for about 1/4 of the retail price. So really excited about this, very happy to own this. It is very exciting to me to finally have, or to finally be able to afford like a really luxury bag, even though it was super on sale. It's just really exciting to me and I love finding stuff for really great deals like that. So I definitely recommend any time that you're going to look for a bag that you really want, check eBay. If you don't care if it's secondhand or not, nobody knows that your bag is secondhand. Definitely check out like eBay or Poshmark or Mercari, any of those websites like that, because you could totally get the same bag for way cheaper. So let's get into it. I am so in love with this bag. But anyways, it has one big like dump all pocket, and then it has one zipper pocket on the inside, and then 2 little like pockets without zippers that don't have anything in them. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go through the big compartment first, and then we'll go into the zipper compartment. So anyways, first thing on the top is my cell phone. I always have this in there when I'm going somewhere. It's got a little pug case on it. If you guys don't know, we have a pug. So that's why that's on there. And my son loves to chew on my phone, or he did when he was teething. So I got one of these like silicone covers because it was really great for when he was teething because he didn't wreck my phone. So I also have in here a little notepad that I keep just kind of like grocery notes on, things that I need to get at the store so I don't forget them. I also have my wallet in here. This is a Michael Kors wallet, which is another like super savings item. I got this at a Michael Kors store during one of their like tent sales is what they called it. They have this sale every summer. So my family actually goes on vacation during this like sale time. So every time we're on vacation, I pop into the Michael Kors store that's there. And what they do is they have everything in the store 60% off and then an additional 20% on top of that price. So this wallet I think came to like $30 or $40. So really, really exciting. I love that sale. But I just have the typical stuff in here like my ID, credit cards. No cash because I really rarely carry cash, but it's a really nice wallet. I like there's a ton of compartments for all my cards in here. I never use like the coin thing because you'll see I have a coin purse in here, but yeah, I love this and I love the color. It seems I have a note in here, which I can probably throw away because I got all of this stuff already at the store. I have my sunglasses in here. These are a pair of Prada sunglasses, another great find that I got because on sale through what website was it? I can't remember the website. I don't think it was Poshmark. Oh, Tradesy. It was Tradesy. I got these. These were the summer of 2016 collection, so I got these 2 years ago, and I got them for a really, really great deal. I think they were about 50 bucks or so, and a regular price is over 100, obviously. And then it comes with this really nice glasses case, and I just love these sunglasses. I have some tissues in here. These are some like winter ones with snowmen on them, but who cares what's on them. I keep my lotion. I hate the feeling of dry skin so much, so I always have a lotion in my bag. This is my coin purse, which is overflowing. This is a Coach coin purse that I got from Mercari. You guys can tell that like everything name brand that I own, I've pretty much gotten on sale or like secondhand from somewhere. I pretty much have never paid for anything full price that is luxury brand. So yeah, So this is a Coach one, like I said, from Mercari, and I think I got this for $12, this little coin purse. And it's got all my change in it, which really needs to go through like one of those change machines because there's way too much in here. I keep a hand sanitizer at all times. I have a 1-year-old son, and it's definitely handy to have hand sanitizer at all times because he's always touching stuff. I have one of the EOS lip balms in here. This is my favorite one. It smells like strawberry oatmeal. I also keep a lint roller in here, which is my like son's favorite thing to pull out of my purse for some reason. He just loves it. I don't know why. I've got some Tylenol. Actually, Tylenol doesn't work very well for me, so I really don't know why I keep this in here. I think I keep it for other people who ask if I have Tylenol. Like, that's the dumbest reason to keep this in here, but I'm an Excedrin kind of girl, and Tylenol just doesn't work, but I keep it in here anyway in case anyone ever needs it. I also always have gum in my purse or mints. I think I have both. Yeah, I have gum and mints in here. So I like this Orbit white gum, but I don't like the peppermint flavor so much. I prefer like the bubblegum one, the pink one. But I just grabbed this at the store the other day. And then I had the Icebreakers mints. These are in spearmint. I do really like these. I feel like they give me nice fresh breath, and yeah, super cheap. Also, speaking of mints, I have these really cool caffeine mints. So these are from a brand called Viter Energy, and they're supposed to boost energy and freshen breath at the same time. So they have caffeine in them, and I just thought that was really cool and like a different way to get your caffeine fix if you need one, rather than drinking like a Pepsi. I'm a Pepsi addict. So I tried these out, and I do think they really work. So I have 2 different flavors. I have the spearmint flavor and chocolate mint flavor, which actually doesn't taste like chocolate mint to me. It tastes a little bit like cleaner, but I do like it, which is weird. But anyways, I really like these. I think they're really nice. They work well, and they're sugar-free, so love. I have a candy bar in here because every once in a while I feel like my sugar gets really low. I'm not diabetic or anything, but like, can you just tell sometimes when your sugar like crashes? So I always keep something in there just in case. So I have a melty bar. This is from Oaks. I don't know if you guys are familiar with Oaks. It is a candy company that's in my state that I live in. And yeah, they have really good, this is like a, I don't really know how to describe this, but it's like a really melty chocolate indulgent kind of bar. It's really, really good. Oh, I have Excedrin in here. Like I said, I'm an Excedrin kind of girl. Definitely need this because I do suffer from migraines, so I have this at all times. I have a pen. I also have some ranitidine. This is my acid reducing pills. I have a stomach disorder, so unfortunately I get really like acidic, and I do have acid reflux and stuff too, so keep this on me. There's a mint in there. I have got a file, just a metal file, and a nail clipper. I have got a rollerball perfume. I always keep perfume in my purse because I'm someone that if I leave the house and I forget to put perfume on, I feel a little bit naked. I don't know why, I just kind of do. And this is a really good smelling one. It's called English Laundry, and it just smells really good. You can actually get this at Walmart, but I love it. It smells delicious. And then I have a lipstick in here. This is my YSL Rouge Volupte Shine lipstick in number 47. It's just a really pretty like nudie pink kind of color, and I just have this in here for now. I think it must have been the last lipsticks I wore because the lipstick that I keep in my purse is always the one that I'm wearing for the day, so I switch them out all the time. But sometimes I get some stragglers when I forget to take the last one out. So that is everything that's in the big pocket. Let's move on to the zipper pocket. So this isn't very exciting in here. Obviously I am a female, so I have some tampons in here. Yeah, those are handy. So this is going to seem a little bit weird, but I do have a syringe in here. So like I mentioned before, I have migraines, and the migraine medication that I take is via injection. So I get really intense migraines, so the best way to administer the medication is intramuscularly, so it gets to my body quicker and then the migraine goes away faster. So I keep a syringe on me at all times, and I ran out of my migraine injections, so right now I don't have any in my purse, but normally I always would. So I have to go pick those up later at the store, so at the pharmacy. I have another pen in here. I also keep my little compact mirror in there. It's just a cute little one with like a faux diamond thing on it. I have a whole bunch of alcohol prep pads and moist towelettes in here for some reason. And then I have some allergy anti-diarrheal medication. This clearly is not mine. This must be my husband's, TMI, because I don't have that problem. So yeah, not mine. And then I have some Dramamine in here, which is mine, and I need that for long car trips and any boat rides and things like that, otherwise I will get sick. So that is everything that is in my purse. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching. If you haven't already, please like and subscribe, and have a great day.